Hi, I'm Christina Potts. I'm the area sales manager for Neal Signature Homes, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our beautiful new Palm Bay model here at Everly in WELLEN Park. This home has a little over 3,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a den, and sneak peek, we actually have this model featured with our new casita. Let's go take a look. Immediately when walking into the Palm Bay, you are going to be wowed by the 16-foot tall ceilings, beautiful beams. We did an optional fireplace open to your kitchen and great room. And my favorite part is the gorgeous double sliders looking out into your outdoor space. At Neal Signature Homes, every chef gets to personalize their own kitchen. In this home, we did the double stack cabinets all the way to the ceiling. We have a monogram range top, pot filler, and you have this huge island, perfect for entertaining and all your big events. Hiding just behind these doors is our amazing scullery. You've got a sink, dishwasher, prep space, storage, and a wine fridge. What a beautiful space to get your work done. You've got big windows that let in all the natural light, and look up, 20-foot ceilings. Everly at WELLEN Park is such a special community. So many of the home sites have these expansive water views, perfect for your picture view lanai screen. Our Palm Bay model is 70 feet wide. That gives you so much space to design the pool of your dreams. Waterscapes did ours with a raised spa, big pool, and travertine deck. What a great place to unwind at the end of a busy day. Welcome to your grill and chill. We have a barbecue grill, sink, refrigerator. Who's ready for some relaxation? At Neal Signature Homes, we're always innovating our floor plans. The Palm Bay has a new optional casita, perfect for your out-of-town guests. They've got a beautiful view of your pool through the slider and full walk-in closet and bathroom. This spacious primary suite has tons of natural light with all the big windows. You've got space for seating and an exit out to your pool deck. Just off the primary suite, we have 2 walk-in closets and this optional dry bar. Who's ready for coffee? Our primary suite bath has a luxury shower with enclosed tub, big window, and dual vanities. The Palm Bay layout is perfect for so many families. We have the primary suite on one side, 2 full bedrooms and bathrooms on the other. No one has to share. The laundry room, located just off the garage, has a laundry sink and great cabinets for storage. Thank you so much for touring our beautiful Palm Bay model with me. We look forward to welcoming you in Everly in your new home at WELLEN Park.